Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the show hide password. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here you can see that we have a demo, show password, hide password. So this kind of feature everybody wants to know like how we can make this. Okay. So this is the tutorial on that. So here you can see that we have an input type that is password, ID and the placeholder. And on the button toggle, this function will call. How it works? First of all, get element by ID that is password. Okay. And the button. Here we have the button event dot target. So here in this we are going to what event target we are getting. If the input dot type, okay, if this one, if input dot type, if I get the password, will change the text input type dot text. Okay, so this type is gonna be on the text, right? And the text content would be hide, and if else it should be the type password, and the button text content would be the show. So here this type, I'm just changing this type. If it is password, if the type equal to password, then we have to change it with this. Okay, if else we are going to make it as simple as this password, and the text content would be show. Okay, so this is the logic that we are using. Only changing the input type will help you to just talk, show and hide the password. Let's inspect this and check what happening over here. This is input show. So here you can see that type is password, type is text. Okay, on the behalf of it, the input field changes, right? So this is how you can do the show and hide password in JavaScript using HTML. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.